Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity AI for research. So first, you have to go to Perplexity AI, select your plan right here. Of course, for the sake of this tutorial, let's just use the free version. Okay, so this is the interface. What you're going to do is just go directly to this text box right here and then create a prompt. So you can use natural language, like you can ask Perplexity AI, what are the pros and cons of nuclear fusion energy? So pro tip, you can add with citations to your query to get links to real sources. So after that, you can now press enter. Now, Perplexity provides a summarized answer, a list of clickable source links, suggested follow up questions, web, academic, and YouTube tabs. You can verify everything with a click. This one is ideal for students, creators, and professionals. So here is the result. Now you can also ask a follow-up question. For example, you can ask like, what's the opposing viewpoint? But actually everything is up to you. This one is optional, but somehow it can build a research thread, like a conversation, which is super efficient. So you can see it right here. Now, you know what is the difference between Perplexity and ChatGPT? For Perplexity AI, you can use real-time data, citation-based research, while ChatGPT no unless browsing enabled and not as always. So in short, Perplexity AI, you can ask here clear research-based question. You can review AI generated summary plus sources. You can just link and then click links or ask follow-ups. Sometimes Perplexity AI will just provide these links for you. You can upload files, but this feature is for pro version. So basically, that's how easy it is to use Perplexity AI for research. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.